Oh, as I was walking down London from Wapping to Ratcliffe Highway, well, I chanced to go into an alehouse to spend a long night and a day. A young Droxy came rolling up to me and asked if I'd money to sport. But a bottle of wine changed a guinea, and quickly replied, that's the sort. When the bottle was put on the table, there were glasses for everyone. When I asked for the change of me guinea, she tipped me the verse of a song. This lady flew into a passion, and she placed both her hands on her hips, saying, sailor, don't you know now our fashion? Do you think you're on board of your ship? Well, if this is your fashion to rob me, it's a fashion that I won't abide. So go launch out the change of me guinea, or I'll give to you a broadside. Well, a gold watch hung over the mantle, so the change of me guinea I take, and down the stairs I run nimbly, saying, darn me old boots, I'm well paid. Well, the night it been dark in me favour, to the river I quickly did creep. I got into a boat bound for Deptford, and got safely on board of me ship. So come all of you young sailors that ramble down Ratcliffe Highway, if you chance to go into an alehouse, be careful how long, lads, you stay, for the wine and the women invite you, and your heart will be all in a rage. If you give them a guinea for a bottle, you can go to the devil for your change.